Welcome to this presentation on a survey and perspective on artificial intelligence for security-aware electronic design automation. This research was conducted by David Kobla and published on 6th March 2023. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Artificial intelligence AI and machine learning ML techniques are increasingly applied in electronic design automation EDA to manage complexity, accelerate time to market, and enhance the security of integrated circuits ICS. While AI ML has advanced general EDA, hardware security concerns have been largely overlooked. This survey explores the use of AI ML in security aware EDA, covering digital and analog IC design, security challenges, and future research directions. This survey provides a comprehensive review of existing literature on the application of AI ML techniques in security aware electronic design automation. It categorizes AI/ML applications across different stages of the IC design flow, including high-level synthesis, logic synthesis, physical design testing, and verification. The paper discusses both digital and analog IC design aspects, highlighting specific security issues and the AI/ML algorithms employed to address them. The survey found that AI/ML is being actively applied to enhance various aspects of security-aware EDA. In digital IC design, AI/ML aids in decision-making for security primitive deployment, performance prediction of security countermeasures, and black box optimization for obfuscation and anti-tamper layouts. The increasing reliance on AI/ML in EDA presents a significant opportunity to bolster hardware security. The integration of AI/ML across the entire IC design lifecycle, from high-level synthesis to post-layout verification, can lead to more robust and secure designs. However, the current research landscape reveals a need for more open-source benchmarks, standardized domain knowledge, and accessible EDA tools to accelerate research and development. AI/ML techniques offer a powerful paradigm shift for achieving security-aware EDA. By leveraging AI/ML, the design process can be made more efficient, secure, and automated, enabling the creation of reliable hardware that serves as the root of trust.